Hi! Welcome to Norah's Cooking Diary Season 3 Episode 1. In this video, I'm going to share with you a kimchi stew recipe. Delicious hot bubbling stew with sour and spicy pickled Napa cabbage tastes absolutely wonderful and is such an appetizing dish. A spoonful of kimchi stew will lift up your spirit on that moody day. This is a popular Korean dish that is prepared in almost every household in Korea. Kimchi stew is called Kimchi Jjigae in the Korean language. Kimchi refers to the spicy pickled Napa cabbage and Jjigae means stew. The key ingredient for this dish is obviously the spicy pickled Napa cabbage. Tofu, mushroom, onions and meat are then added to complete this kimchi stew. Keep watching and I will share with you how I cook this kimchi stew recipe. And don't forget to check out my cooking tips in the description below. Happy cooking!